Hi, it's Natasha. I want to show you how you can achieve a beautiful cranberry cheek and lip look using my Berry Pop collection. First, I'm using my cream blush. This is the exact same formula like my Dream Cheek Trio. And I know that everybody loved it so much, so I had to make it again, just in a new shade. For a dewy glow, I'm dipping the brush into the Tinted Glow Cream Base, and this time I wanted this cream highlighter to come in a berry shade, so you can also wear it on its own if you want like a more natural flush of color. And if I want to intensify the glow, I dipped into the Dream Glow, which is the same exact formula like in the Dream Cheek Trio, but I added a little bit of a hue of pink in the highlight. You can barely see it, it's still like super natural and universal, but a little different just to have another shade. And for the lips, I'm using the Berry Pop in the I Need a Nude Lip Crayon formula, which is super long wearing. The reason I'm using and created this lip pencil for a natural cherry look is just to make the lips appear bigger and plump. And I'm finishing off the look with my Berry Pop lipstick, which is a vegan and clean, super creamy, moisturizing lipstick. It gives it a very natural, dewy finish to the lips. I'm blotting it off with my finger. And that's it. I hope you love this look.